January marks a decisive stage at Nirvana Villas. From structure to finishing, we are closing in on completion. My name is Juliet Badividarima, property consultant with Val Real Estate Ghana. Hello, Engineer Ahmed.
Hello, Juliet. Nice to have you again.
Thank you very much. What exactly is happening on site as the year begins?
Now we are doing the finishing phase, the final installation, the final touches and quality checkup are ongoing. Internal works, we are doing the walls and the ceiling paint. We have started also with stucco paint, as you can see.
Looks beautiful.
With marble effect. We are doing also installation for the spotlight, the switches.
I see that.
Almost done, all the stair marble and beam top. We are doing also the kitchen top marble, the curtain walls. We have started fixing the glass for the curtain walls.
The view looks amazing.
Yeah. Actually, the place here with natural lighting. Yeah. And for the external, we are doing the facade paint.
I saw that.
Yeah, the
paint together well.
The fence graviato also. You can see them; they are working now.
Yes.
We are doing the curbs for the landscape.
Yes.
And we have done good progress for the mosaic for all the swimming pools.
Oh, that's great.
Yeah.
Okay, so in our next update, what should our clients expect to see? A finished product?
Almost.
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 Does that mean we are ahead of the schedule?
Yeah, we are actually ahead of schedule. And our target to hand over this villas to our clients in front of schedule.
Oh, that's amazing. As always, we deliver before time. I love that. So in our next update, what should we expect?
To finish all the mosaic work.
Okay.
The final touches inside, the paint, the quality inspection. Also to start the landscape works, which is stamped concrete, gravel, stone. That will be the next month.
This place will look amazing so soon. Yeah. Thank you so much for having us. I'll see you next month.
Thank you. Welcome.
Nirvana Villas is officially sold out. A clear reflection of trust, timing and value. For those who missed out, new opportunities now open across our villa portfolio with exclusive promotions available for a limited window. Momentum doesn't stop, it moves. We're almost at the finishing line and we're definitely finishing strong. If you're looking to secure a place with us in what's next, speak to our team today and take advantage of our current villa promotions at Villanova. To stay informed, stay connected. Follow us on all our social media platforms.